Yeah. And Rich, you see, I think at this point, no, what YTF they have to know is that as it stands, no, a lot of the member associations, they have decided say they would have the agreement together with a confederations, no. Inti and now te ya UEFA for meeting. And meeting national, they agreed that they will boycott a FIFA for competitions moving forward. Inti that was the agreement from all the 55 member states of UEFA. Inti anonso e won chain. Then we had AFC Fono. AFC Fono said that they stand in solidarity with UEFA and CONCACAF. CONCACAF no originally no so eba I say on a new initiative na FIFA Forward Enterprise na FIFA edit to abonteno on so CONCACAF as well as UEFA and AFC have all come out to outrightly distance themselves from FFE na FIFA edit bano. And as it stands now on Rich o the young kambom se FIFA se UEFA air 55 na AFC air 41 na CONCACAF enso air ko be I think about 40 years.
But yen for him say Mexico actually elected the abase sa CONCACAF asem na omo kan
omo yo mu efim
so omo sa decision no omo no omo ba betena se as association no omo so no adjonti per ocean numbers na UEFA is 55 right
55 yes
and na AFC for near say
AFC is about 41
okay
then CONCACAF I am not so sure of the number but I'm sure it's something around 40 if I'm correct. The numbers it looks like it's going against FIFA. It's only the FIFA for person yes
because they say come about my
Kasai Kaf Kasai. Then we also have I think the Oceania for into these three and then Kasai. But we've heard from CONCACAF.
So out of the 6 no.
Yes.
3 confederations the Omakasa. Say omo de ade na FIFA de ba no omusoma enye 3 na candidate they are yet
to come out with almost
come out with so omo for and against.
Good.
I see. Numbers no 3 na can no numbers no betimi abuwe mama FIFA nya majority no.
No they won't. Because Oceania no I'll confirm the numbers for you but CAF is 54 sorry. CAF is 54. CONMEBOL for 11. So you realize that the numbers is not on the side of FIFA as we speak. But Rich, you know the interesting thing? FIFA for Babonting, Anopeya, almost the statement be to Abonting, almost say it lacks and appreciates almost care about Nkofona Omodi in Comonsa Omon Pese Omodi Omuhubeshe FIFA for enterprise. No, this is what they are saying about
CONCACAF 41.
Good. So CONCACAF 41, right? And then UEFA 55 as well as AFC for so. So the numbers is on their side. But in the FIFA editor Bonting, almost say they will not back down. But this is what they have to say. Also, FIFA said that it acknowledges and respects the public concern, but blamed much of the backlash on erroneous media reporting. Erroneous media reporting, reaffirming its continuous consultation process rather than redrawing the plan. It's FIFA say, Adia or the two Bonting and Rano. Afedia abedane in semkeka UEFA for AU film no. The reportage in the media is erroneous. The erroneous nature of the reporting at ABS Sky Sports ne other news outlets for the editor is what is changing the opinions of and Crawford to say that the thing is a bad thing on person moye. It's FIFA for kasa mo kasa no. One of the things I'm who's a FIFA for person yes is
sorry, let me say and can no men call because no near be bring you FIFA. But Rachel ma de Joe Minchuano. Rachel ma de amahu. Eniema mi na mahu. One FIFA na mu no. Our problem with communication or erroneous media perception or reporting. So clearly it tells you that all this while sir at the papa ukrano or debano when to me and communicate effectively. But also on your point, when to me communicate effectively about it.
I'm from a member association.
That's the point. Enti amasa and trone niamana.
I'm for Kadifa.
Exactly. Meaning so any point now.
Because I would if there's a communication gap, on a month for Suchan 22.
Good. Yeah.
What I say because now what the proposal on the day ban. Why to me and Churchman fan associate members. What I say?
Yes.
And so we just the NSA MOB or Tibaby no. On to be transferred to the enemy.
Exactly.
MOB or Tension GD.
Exactly.
Because on Nimadi.
And so far, lobby no one lobby say. Because I never know so your background checks. Oh yeah, a lot of lobbying. And sana one my own media no. One more you who you mama man for what you say. But also be idea dance pepe say. I said, oh yes, I need money now. And Joe means so much about the so I'm in the danger why they way more. Now me share the major sponsors of FIFA. Rich. Adidas, meboa. But Adidas here they company. A German company. Okra Coca-Cola. Okra Visa. Share some major brands here. Nabra even tier 2 no. Ne partners no wo ho no. Ne partners na wo ho no okra Hyundai wo ho. But Hyundai one more company, any Asian company. And it is a Osha clearly Qatar Airways and so ho. And also Asia say ameboa. Aramco and so ho. So say Osha Sanya man so even the sponsors okra the major sponsors no. Rich, a whole crown there will be a problem. Because the everybody say UEFA cast or China ho. Say companies in you say do na no e Europe. In a way almost make me influence. And now so okay say UEFA China ho a almost me influence simple rate. The everybody say okay you be pull because you feel say ye nya leverage na ye and they needed mileage.
Josh, you na Murphy as media.
Inti unim the FIFA for person here. FIFA want to go door to door. Inti no omo who say confederations no they are establishing a block to outrightly associate themselves from a FIFA forward enterprise no. Inti one person go door to door no nim the ombe inti one after the other. Oko federation we are no akokana se match no one on one. Onya no confederation level. Inti say Africa or Ghana ho straight.
No
abekasa. No church bibia kyerɛw. Say na wom, say na mepe, say na obenya. Then after that negotiation, then you yourself will make your individual assessment and make a decision. Say ebe boa na be favor wa. Then you also come in and support them. And I think that is one thing that FIFA can do. It was because as it stands right now, no, they are not backing down. Onya na dream said dear ACR Comebol for Abia almost de almost sembeba, but CONCACAF, any UEFA, any AFC for or more castle they don't want to participate. No, it is not something that is taking them away from a decision. No, they are they say they be CBA FIFA Forward Enterprise initiative or more person or deba. So if that's the case, if there's a denial, and I said there's a distancing from a initiative from a member associations, they will come one after the other.
Okay.
Inti omoba no omuni wadi nkomo no me bisa opea fine pensua then you make them know. And I think that when you go that direction 211 member associations no obi abedwi ne ho ehun say ade a ode ba no ebe favor na then they will make a decision, and that often would go into the interest of
a long overdue.
You see the problem with this
because FIFA man they not say
good of and so when we say more advice about where resign
I say senior advisor at FIFA presidency Carlos El Caldero yes I resign.
You see, so the issue of Senka wasn't come process a transparent no. Now it is backfiring. Because I'm for bebre or what the consultation process didn't go to the right channels. It is saying no, after you are trying to do damage control and damage control no, and they say Obeko couldn't come one after the other, but some one after the other no. Time Ben Obenya over could 211 member associations who could do omo come.
Yeah, proposal not to.
Now proposal no puno. Also by September 15th or 19th no, everybody has to either accept or deny. So person Obeka. So you realize that FIFA for no have not done themselves any good. Also the initiative bar there should be a process. Won't be sorry one day and Casa the FIFA Forward Enterprise.
Because with the three now they are yet to come out. No, our numbers in a majority.
They won't.
I think three now can I'm saying calfness. They are canning nine kitty. What I say, inti Adena every
no, there's a problem. There's a big problem over here for FIFA and Geneva. Now only the Emma I didn't cry away for
from hey.
No, UEFA fund you must be different.
And about a commerce or more FFE president.
FFE president no.
Yes. Me ubami chrome commerce. Sebi sponsorship kitu ebi.
So what you say?
Yes, as you go to involve a game.
No, as for UEFA
infrastructure ne sa man.
Rich UEFA for the contest in there. We have always said
that's all baby omo kono.
Aha.
Germany to Germany, England, Sama, on here 20 million on a facility BBR. What I say, on Sans Carry, you don't need it, but we need it. But and I'm saying, I just said, Uti, George, we did a consultation. I'm there, Yenny and Cocan Trouble for the Sram, your Pacho. You also more in there by someone, yes, someone, a Pamacho, Mumma, and Yedi. But some more, you can't be a mumpa. When you're not from Cadiano. Because Ghana, imagine saying you 20 million. That's why I get it. Yes, sir, UEFA for a pamto. When I'm sick and mumpa. When I'm Munya did it too. Now when you're from a Yanchan, we are Uti. In a woman, no, Infantino, Infantino, Nancasano, especially with Nansenya, Ninyama, why, maybe a wire, walk up in the a moment and more. You see, and your proposal, and your Infantino, yes, as a person.
There's a lot of factors, a catalogue of factors. Even your World Cup numbers, Crown Pie in Yambucano, it's even an issue for them. So when you point to,
as I know, yes, idea. In your course,
1% disparity.
With all fairness, Yensha Ubia numbers, maybe Yen family fee community. Osha a for now, UEFA for now, maybe UEFA for say 55. Osha Kafa, say 54. What's one? Shall numbers are walk up. Natural numbers. Kakra 9.5 we more, yes, because I'm here to Yene do point to cry near Pemwa, Momo near Bahe, may cultural rich. What himself Bukazi's a buying. That time, yes, that day by say, Omra Mamma boy, because not yen gave no ever form. Into Omra me boy and not yen see and yama. Or buy no, and yen and you Chianico. Rather, a Germany for nana Ichianica. So we've had periods crying in game, they call from 9 percent, you normalizing game and answer percent, yes, saying game. Technical directors near the Nina, near Coco Far. A one castle in Chiaka and yen state, no. And answer FFE, of course, all kinds of technical director there. A FIFA sika or the Ebre FFE, no. FIFA forward fan, no. SS can be any chia technical directors, no can only a state in the chia. I only say no crown, Germany for an nature the my. And here I'm about to that level. I was dead on arrival, crying, but anyway,